So Troy, within the PERMAGUARD systems, we've got two different top coats, right?
Correct.
And those are called?
Plus and Max.
Great. And what's the difference?
So our Plus system is our basic top coat. It's going to be clear. It's going to give you great durability. It's going to increase the life of the floor. The Max is actually about 20 times stronger than our standard epoxy. So that's going to give you that much more durability over time. You also, with both of those, you can add in our optional traction additive. And we recommend that if you're going to be around moist areas, or especially in your garage, if you're in a climate where it rains a lot or snow and you've got moisture on the floor, it's a good idea to put the traction additive in it just for that extra bit of safety.
Sure, right. And so then Troy, how about cure time for the Plus versus the Max? What does that look like?
So you have a 12-hour window to get both the top coats down, be it the Plus or the Max. The big difference is you've got a 24-hour drive on time for the Max and a 72-hour for the Plus.
Gotcha. So 1 day versus 3 days.
Correct.
Just depending upon how long you want to be out of your garage.
Exactly. That's
okay.
Right.
Very good. Thank you. For more information on these products, visit the PERMAGUARD website.